Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get YouTube Premium at a student discount step by step. This works for college and university students and you'll even get 1 month free before paying. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Now type YouTube Premium Student in the search bar. From the results, open the first official YouTube link. Now remember, always open the official YouTube websites to avoid fake pages. And from this page, tap on 1 month for free. This means you'll get 1 full month of YouTube Premium for free with your student membership. After the free trial ends, YouTube will start charging you automatically. Don't worry, you can cancel the subscription anytime before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Now sign in with the Gmail account that you want to use for student subscription. After signing in, tap on 1 month for 0 again. Now you will see a student verification form. Fill it carefully. First select your country, then enter your university or college name. After that, type your first and last name, then enter your date of birth, and after that type the same email address you signed in with, and then tap on verify my student status. And one thing you have to keep in your mind is that you have to make sure all details match your official student documents. And now you will be redirected to a page where you need to upload proof of your studentship. Now you can upload your university or college ID card, which is most recommended, or you can upload your class schedule or tuition fee receipt. If you are uploading an ID card, upload both front and back sides and make sure the ID card is clear and it has a valid expiry date. Once uploaded, tap continue, and now just to wait. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but it can up to take 20 minutes. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email from YouTube. So open the mail and tap on continue, then tap on continue with sign up, and now you will be asked to add a payment method. So enter your card number, expiry date and security code, and after that tap on buy, then verify. Even though it says buy, but you won't be charged during the free trial. And that's it. As you can see, my YouTube Premium student membership is now active. Just to only make sure you use the same email account to enjoy all your premium features like ad-free videos, background play and offline downloads. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.